It dropped on me. Whoa, oh my goodness. Yo, okay, of course when I started recording it stopped pouring rain, but you know, it was pouring rain. I am walking to the car. I also left my windows down to keep the car nice and bloody cool, because it's boiling hot, and then my car was soaking wet, so yeah. I was in before, I was like, why is it so wet in here? And I realized, the flipping window. So down. Oh yeah, I'm gonna drive home. 30 minutes early, actually, so hell yeah. Yo, it's actually so much better on camera. I can't see a thing in real life, but this is so much better on camera, man. You remember that storm I was driving through, like, I don't know, like 5 seconds ago probably? It's caught up to me, man. It's starting to rain here. But I think it's as bad, like, at TAFE, it's just straight up, bang, poured down. But here, I think it's gone slow, which is good. But, you know, it still sucks. We need to dry out for the cane, but if it can't dry, it has to not rain. No, if it doesn't rain, anyway, it needs to not rain for the stuff to be dry. Let's do the opposite of that. Can't even mow the lawn because we can't rain. We can't mow the lawn because of the rain. Like, damn. Please do not knock. Didn't even work. So my door fell down, but more important news, I might have missed him. I missed him. Dominic is taking the bin out, so we'll see him soon. Pop right, like right there. Any day now. Any second, he's gonna appear. Oh shoot, we missed him. Yo, I think it's about to hail. It is so green. It's just rain at the moment. Recording. As soon as I put the camera out, I saw like bang straight up. Damn, I just missed it. 2 years now. Yo, it is pouring down. It caught up to me finally, bro. And it's it dropped on me. Whoa, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot, the clothes. What? The clothes.
Oh, it's dripping from the roof. That's hectic, brother. That is hectic. Yo, let's try hanging this up along there. It is hectic out here, man. Oh, I'm being dripped on. Stop dripping on me. This house leaks like everywhere, bro. I can't find a place that doesn't leak. What? Oh, what? He's using the light. Damn, this weather is hectic, bro. I want to know. Did I? Oh. Alright, I'm gonna look up. Wait, do you have internet again? That was weird. So the internet's back. Weird, very weird. Very, very weird. You got this, man. I know, bro. We had like a massive power draw, like cover thing we get from Telstra. I believe that's because like the power went out on it for some reason and it's back again. But oh my goodness! Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Yo, Ezra's room is flipping sick. It's nice. It's very nice. Let me get out of this room now. But it's very nice in there. Alright, I'm gonna go check all the windows. Go Ezra! Go team! He's doing great.
Team!
One man team. Alright, I'm gonna go check upstairs. You got this, man. No, the shoes! Oh, my shoes are soaked. Oh, no. Oh, everything is just wet. Everything is wet. See that, Joe? Everything is wet. Oh, yeah. Everything is wet. Dude, wait. What does the light see? No, break the lines there. Oh. Damn. Mouse can't focus on me. There we go. Yo. It's like flipping hectic. Yo, I got some proper lighting like they do in how they do in the movies. Like this. Damn. Flipping the rain though is kinda crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, oh, forget how much sound cancelling that room does. That's it loud. Not loud. Loud. Not loud. Loud. Yeah, my door fell over. But it didn't break my photo frames, which I'm really glad about. But yeah, so I'm gonna start this. Righty, Ezra doesn't know how to bloody turn the light off downstairs, so I'm gonna go down there and help him out by turning the light off. Good night, birds. Unless you already turned it off. But I'll go check anyway. Ninja what? Oh, it's hello, Banjo. Huh? Hello, Banjo. Hello, Banjo. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah, where is the switch for the stupid car for? Is it outside? You're joking.
So it's like right here.
I was looking everywhere, getting so annoyed, and then this little fucker keeps trying to get up here to eat whatever the fuck is up here. And I'm getting annoyed.
Stop looking up there. Alright? You keep going up there all the time. Stop doing it.
I don't want her up there. It's a thing. Is that cat poop? A bit better? Not at all. I think I did a worse job. Sitting too low.
So as you go up on there.
Yeah.
What do you do that for?
Look where the dead rat is.
Yeah, 3 bags. Yeah, well, when I go get this, stuff, I'll get some traps.
Also remember sticky traps will catch the cats.
Yeah, I did realise that, but cats are easy to get off compared to, well, mostly easy anyway. But yeah, I'll get normal traps, but he just also, that should be fine with normal traps, right? Just a spring-loaded, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's upstairs, huh? You think you can go upstairs? Because there's no bug here. What is it?
It's a gecko in the top corner.
Oh.
That's cannibalism, bro. It's the only problem is she does for sure. Where's that expanding from? What's this box for?
I have no idea. Wait, no, we've just said no to going up there, and you just, as soon as we say it, you go straight back up there.
Up there.
And then I'm gonna go ready for bed, so I'll see you tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah. I'll turn this light off.
Alright, good night, man. Yo. So when I dropped my camera yesterday, I must have like bumped the lens a little bit, because sometimes, which as you would have seen in that clip like just before, when the camera recording started, the lid, yeah, like the lids don't fully close, which is pretty annoying actually. So, you know, I gotta be more careful. I didn't mean to drop it, it was an accident. I made you guys do a backflip, and then I dropped you straight after that, pretty much. Damn it. But yeah, anyway, this is probably it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the lightning show, and the flooding, and the bloody everything else that went on. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.